Buckle up, chuckle fucks. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Apple's going to be releasing their Vision Pro headset. No, wait, they didn't call it a headset. Apparatus. No, wait, no. Spatial computing device that you happen to slap onto your face next year. But already, the internet's complaining. $3,500? Oh my God, I could buy something else that I would spend $3,500 on that I'm going to buy, like this PC or this TV or home entertainment, whatever. So I'm a little lost. Like, why is $3,500 too expensive? I guess in my mind, a product that was ostensibly designed for not prosumers but developers to better get an idea of what this could mean when the technology ultimately becomes more affordable, trickles down, and is pitched and positioned as a different product. Like, let's say, for argument's sake, I have no insight as to naming conventions, the Apple Vision Air, right? And that's more affordable, it's more accessible. But to make that palatable, you have to have a rich ecosystem of software and experiences to go along with it. And that's what Apple's doing, effectively. I see $3,500 as very affordable. Why? Well, I don't really upgrade my home entertainment equipment. Like our TVs, I still have my first 720p HD TV that I had sponsored by Microsoft years ago. And it works just fine. I just don't upgrade. But to be able to upgrade to that type of TV, yeah. To be able to consume content instead of on a tablet, yeah. So instead of spending $1,000 on an iPad, which I'm not happy about because the software experience is not really it for me, or to spend money on however much it might be on the TV with speakers, etc., to be able to have all of that on your head, at least for 2 hours at a time, no speaking to fatigue, is, I think, worth $3,500. I don't think that's too expensive. I think that's cheap.